Hi friends, welcome to KansExplore. Today we are going to see a tasty Semiya Payasam, a simple method which is made using microwave. So let's see how to make it. As I'm using microwave here, use a microwave safe bowl. So I have taken here thin vermicelli or thin semiya. You get roasted one or non-roasted one. This is non-roasted one. So take a microwave safe bowl. To it add 1 cup of semiya. Slightly crush it to make into small pieces. To this I am adding 1 teaspoon ghee. Now just microwave it for half a minute for the ghee to melt. The ghee is melted. Now mix it well so all the semiya is coated with ghee. Now again we'll microwave it for 1 minute. So our semiya is nicely roasted here. You can see the golden brown color. So it will be very hot, be careful. Now to this I am adding hot milk. I am adding hot milk for the process to get fast. Mix well so that there are no lumps. Now to this, microwave it again for 2 minutes or until the semiya is cooked. If the semiya is floating on the top, that shows the semiya is very well cooked. Now to this I am adding crushed cardamom. Add sugar to your taste. Only after the semiya is cooked you have to add sugar. Mix well. Now microwave it again for 1 minute just for the sugar to melt. That's it. Our Semiya Payasam is ready. All we need is a simple garnish now. So I'm adding the fried cashews and raisins with ghee. Mix well. So our yummy, super delicious, simple Semiya Payasam is ready. Let's transfer to a serving bowl. It's looked delicious, isn't it? Very simple method. Within 5 minutes it's ready. So I'm garnishing with crushed pistachio and it's ready to serve. So time to taste. So you want to taste it? Then make it. If you like my recipe, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.